minute.
I'm Dexter. Boo.
See, in this world, there's two kinds of people, my friend. Those with loaded guns, and those who dig.
What is wrong with me? Oh, shit. Whoa. Very nice. Look at that. Game, what is this? Piece of shit. I didn't need to call him a piece of shit. Could have been a little nicer.
Yeah, it's kind of fucked up.
Yeah.
Take it. Oh my fucking god, I threw so hard.
Alright, well.
Hi. What?
Fucking paracord, damn it. Oh.
Let's play this, dude.
You know, their parents
Fuck.
apparently still in the community. I was just on the screen the other day.
Yeah, have a good one. Joe, you here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait till he's far away. Oh my god. So there was an inspection today for like exterminator came in, you know, all the departments that expect. I just got done taking a dump. Like when I came back and I was like, I'm gonna call.
No.
I know. I don't have any candles, I have nothing. And he's knocking on the door as I'm on the phone, so I have no time to like close the door or nothing. He like walks through.
Damn it, he had to go in there, huh?
You had to go in the go in the bathroom. I was like, no, dude, you don't have to check in there. We're good. We're good. I already did my due diligence. You can walk away now.